We're visiting the Chitra Sante today in Bangalore, 2026. It's a wonderful event. We love coming here and taking a look at all the artists. I just came to this particular stall, which is selling this wonderful art form from Malnad. I love the detailed work, very traditional art forms of India, and so we are buying a few of these paintings and the Ganesha in a boat. Love the detailed work on these pieces.
Hi, I'm Karishma. Chitra Sante has always been overwhelming with so many artists coming not only from India. I've met artists coming even from abroad, and some wonderful masterpieces you can see here. And to witness such huge, humongous crowd, and to witness all in one day at at the same time in one place is commendable, and Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad is doing an amazing job, and I want to thank them for giving us a stall here, and looking forward to many more of this in the future. Thank you.
హాయ్, నా పేరు హేమ. నేను ఆంధ్ర నుంచి వచ్చాను. ఇక్కడ బెంగళూరులో చిత్రసంతలో ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేశాను. మేము ముగ్గురు కలిపి ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేస్తున్నాము. చాలా మంచి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అండ్ మా ఆర్ట్ వర్క్స్ కూడా సెల్ అయ్యాయి. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. నాకు ఆంధ్ర నుంచి వచ్చి కర్ణాటకలో ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేయడం అనేది ఇది నాకు ఒక డ్రీమ్ అన్నమాట. అలాంటిది దీస్ పీపుల్, విత్ దీస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీపుల్, ఇది నా గోల్ లాగా, నా డ్రీమ్ అనేది ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
So I've come here to Chitra Sante with my family, and this is the first time I'm coming here, and it's such a wonderful experience because you see so many artists here, and you see so many arts over here, different types of arts, and it's very inspiring to be amongst such talented artists. We are here doing face paints, and we're doing pottery, and we've shopped some things from the artists, and in a way it's supporting people and supporting the artists, and we are very happy to do that. And this year the initiative is to save the environment, which is such a good initiative in this era, because you see there's so much pollution, and there's so much concrete buildings coming up, and I think it's a very good initiative because it's high time we save our environment. So we have to do as much as we can to save the plants around us for our own benefit. So yeah, please do come to this place with your family and support the artists.
Hello from Chitra Sante 2026. Nan Kanchana. ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ನವರು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಚಿತ್ರಸಂತೆನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ಜನ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ 6 months ಒಂದು ಹಾಬಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತರ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಹಾಬಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರಸಂತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಇಟ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು 7:30ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬೈ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್.